Hello Zignaly users! This short video aims to highlight the risks associated with investing in profit-sharing system services available on Zignaly profit-sharing platform marketplace. Before you connect, be sure that you know all the ins and outs of profit-sharing system and invest in it only if the way it works is fully suitable for you. We highly advise reviewing the article Understanding Profit Sharing before investing. It will detail things like success fee, high watermark, retain, and analytics, concepts crucial to understand how it works. We also suggest watching video available here, which will help you select a worthy profit-sharing service. So let's now quickly review important components of profit-sharing system. Profit sharing uses one pooled account under the control of the service owner, and every single position opened by the trader contains funds of all the connected participants. That way ensures that all the users will have exactly the same results. Soft disconnection. Because there is one pooled account for all transactions made, disconnection from service requires all current positions to close. After pressing the Stop Copy Trader button, no further positions will be open. However, you will still need to wait until the current ones are closed before you can use your allocated capital again. Hard disconnection. That method will allow disconnecting immediately. It will be an option with our profit sharing version 2 release, which is coming very soon. Futures market services related risks. Services that operate on leverage involved markets, called future markets, may experience liquidation. That means that exchange takes over all the capital allocated to a particular service because losses generated on open positions are greater than collateral used to secure those positions. In case of liquidation, even users connected to the service that have not opened positions yet may lose their funds. So be aware of such a possibility and invest with care, and never more than you can afford to lose. If you have any further questions, you can always reach our team through live chat or join our Discord community. Thank you for watching and enjoy Zignaly profit sharing.